Sweets are bad? They must be kidding.
Hey, I have a present for you.
Is it makeup or candies or a painting? No, it has to be sweets.
Hurry! Open up!
Thank you. This is a cookbook? What do I need it for?
Come on, obviously because you can't cook.
We'll see about that. I challenge you to a cooking battle.
Challenge accepted! Okay, Stacy didn't come. That means I won! Let's celebrate.
No way! Actually, unlike some people, I got the groceries. Now let's choose what to cook.
Let me see.
Yes, it worked.
You're so mean. But anyway, I'm gonna win this.
Today we're making pizza. Yummy!
Aww. Hey, it's impossible. How can you make pizza out of this?
You can cook anything with candy. Do you admit your defeat?
No way, I'm in.
Gotcha!
Hey, throwing stuff is a bad move. You'd better check me out. I will show you how to make eclair dough. It's almost done! Have you seen our Sam? He'd help us here.
Sam is away at a slime blogger convention, but we'll figure something out.
Where is Sue? Could she be our judge? Oh, you're disgusting. Sue, will you be a judge?
I'm not eating your weird pizza.
Well, are we gonna actually cook? You are just eating here. It's time to make something, girls.
Oh, I know. I need to melt the marshmallow for the pizza sauce. And this hairdryer will help me. They got even tastier.
Cheerleaders, get in the frame now. Chop, chop.
Why are they here? This place is getting crowded. Okay, you should check out the dough I made.
And I've got the perfect pizza sauce. Look!
At least I'll finish first with this waffle iron. Get ready to taste the best pizza ever. Get my assistant over here.
Oh, here she is, all fussy.
Oh no, I need to speed up. Let's squeeze this butter.
Try me. You'll never catch up because my pizza is almost ready. These waffles are a chef's kiss. Now my assistant will help me get the next ingredient. Wow, it's chocolate. We can keep cooking. Check out my new ingredients. Jealous?
Me and my doll can do better.
You're stalling, and I have a chocolate patty on its way.
Oh no! What kind of pizza is that? Help!
Let's hurry up. I'm not going to give up.
Hey! Sam taught me a great trick, and you can't stop me from trying it. The dough is ready. Now let's roll it out.
I know some hacks, too. Excuse me. I'll take that. Thank you. What a beautiful mess I've got here. Who wants a taste?
No way. I'm making my dough a relaxing spa. It's gonna be plushy and soft. Ketchup is a must for pizza. We will use its twin, strawberry jam.
Oh no, I need to speed up. Sweet pizza sauce is so much better.
I don't even need to try hard to beat you.
Hey, what is it in your ear?
Ah!
Oops, was it too much? Come on. It's just marmalade. A perfect ingredient for sweet pizza.
Are you trying to take me out of the game? Not fair! Anyway, I'm about to make the perfect layer of marshmallow cheese. And I will use the iron.
Cheater! I need cheese too, but I'll make it out of cream and food coloring. Wow, it's cheese heaven. Let's smear it all over the waffles. The patties place is right in the center.
Are you finishing already? Then it's time for my secret ingredient. Look, what an awesome topping I've got!
What? When did you learn to cook like this?
I have my secret seasoning.
Show me. I want to know that secret too. You tricked me again.
Hey, it's mine!
No way, stop! I think we're all set. Judges, would you come over, please?
I need to use the bathroom now. This is not looking good. Oh no, please, come back! Who won?
Nancy, are you gonna beg for mercy? I'm sure I won.
Yeah, you wish. We're not done yet. We're moving on to round 2. Oops, wait a minute. This time we'll see whose food is prettier.
Wait, is it clay? Gross! No!
Hey, I said pretty food, not tasty.
I called dibs on choosing the food. We're making burgers. So, what are you gonna do?
Alright, fine. I accept the challenge. Look how nicely I can slice greens with this spatula. Oh, right. Now I need some tomato slices. What is that? A bug? Somebody help!
Hey, it makes a perfect patty.
Ew! Get this away!
Oh, come on. You'd better check your recipe book.
Oh no, my poor bun. What am I gonna do now?
Come on, it's just dough.
I will heat up your bun then.
What are you doing? You ruined it. Oh no, my cheese. Wait, I will just flip it upside down.
I decided to make a vegan burger. It's more healthy and tastier.
You can't be serious.
Looks like your burger is out. Then the trophy is mine.
No way. We are both fine.
Anyway, I'm almost done here. Oops.
It means I still have a chance to win. Here, check this out. Wait! What's this? Give it back. It's my marmalade.
So, you weren't just hiding sweets in here. I knew it.
Do you have to be smarty pants all the time? How are you gonna handle this makeover?
Hey, I like it.
Stop! Don't touch it. You'll ruin it for sure. Eat your own burger. Oh, my poor baby. You can get your salad back.
Oh, right. Now I need some tomato slices.
I need a slice of tomato, too. I'd better follow her lead.
Here comes an orange. Fellows, would you try this recipe?
Finally! I think the burger tower is holding up great.
And the clay patties are amazing.
We are almost set.
And the patty goes on top. I'm done. There is one last step left.
Really? Is it your new trick?
That's right. Now my burger is real. Hey, give it back.
It's very good.
All right, let's play fair. I always have a plan B.
Hey! How many burgers do you have? How did you even come up with this thing?
Let me explain it scientifically. Okay, this is an orange, a sweet one. Thus, we can get a great example of, did you fall asleep?
Wake up, the voting is coming.
comes the jury. Come on in. No need to eat anything this time. So creative! It looks amazing and bad at the same time. And this is my favorite.
Now we have a winner. Take your trophy.
Wow! Finally! I won! Told you I am the better cook.
This is the best cook in the world. When will you stop bragging?
Oh, come on, here. I made these just for you.
Hey, it tastes really good.
Oops, I think I used too much food coloring.
My hair! Ah!
Since it's my fault? Nancy, you can have my hair!